Okay, so this is where network marketers and many people that work online, this is where they get it wrong. First of all, if you're working for a 9 to 5 company, they tell you to work hard, that if the money you're making is not enough, that you should do what? That you should work day and night. So what network marketers always tell you, or many of them do tell you, is that you don't need to do the 9 to 5 thing. You don't need to do more morning and night come to network marketing, and you don't know how you work at your own convenience. And let me shock you. The part I feel is not entirely correct is that when you start your online business, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, forex, whatever, you are going to spend more time in the beginning to get to understand the products, the services, the company. And if you join a good team that has a system, you will need time to understand the system and how you can personally apply the system. That time, that period takes a lot of time. It could cost you morning, day, and night, until you get a grasp, and then it begins to ease off. Now the difference is that the 9 to 5 thing, there is no stop. I mean, you keep doing that even whether you like it or not. But the beautiful thing about network marketing, the beautiful thing about affiliate marketing, the beautiful thing about working online, doing your business from home, is that the moment you understand the system and you can apply the system, and then it makes it easier. Now this is another thing that people don't understand. Are there network marketers, online marketers, home business owners that are working every single day, every time they're on their phone, they're on their laptop, they're making calls? Are there people like that? Yes. Do they have freedom of time? No. Time freedom? No, they don't. So that's where social media marketing comes in. That's where automation tools to enable you run your business even when you are asleep. All right, that's when it comes in. And so my encouragement to you, first of all, I'm trying to cancel that, because when people tell you that you come in, you do it when you like, you come in with that mindset that you're going to do it when you like, and you never grow. You must come in with the mindset that you've got to do some work, you've got to do some aggressive study and learning application. So this is the rule: you apply, you learn, you study, you apply, you rinse and you repeat. Because when you study and you apply, you will know what works, then you start to do that. You know what doesn't work, and then you stop doing that. Okay? So I would recommend strongly that you begin to pay attention to getting to understand social media marketing tools, getting to understand digital marketing tools, getting to understand automation systems that you can use to grow your business and make life a lot easier for you. I can help you with that. I mean, I don't care the business you're in. I don't care the company you're in. That's not my problem. My challenge, or the real thing I want to do, is to see how I can help you. I used to be there where I used to think, but they said I'm not going to do it every time. I just do it when I like, and then when I don't, I just leave it. But what if you're not getting results? Okay, so I can show you tools that you can use. Go use them and see if they work for you. You can share it with your teams. Trust me. I mean, there are lots of, I can share with you strategies. I can share with you a daily method of operation, what you need to do every day to grow your business online. I just give it to you. Trust me. So comment below. You can private chat me. If there is a link, click on the link. You can have a conversation with me. And then if you need this guide, just type below, maybe guide. Okay, and then I'm going to shoot this to you, and you just go use it. Then come back and tell me whether it makes sense or not, whether it worked for you or not. Thank you so much, and I hope that this video is of value to you. Bye for now, and I'll see you another time. My name is Stallone-Obaraemi Samuel. My sincere desire for you is that you go on succeeding by becoming a better version of yourself. Bye for now.